Good day, everyone. This is again Mr. John Paul B. Mora, your Cookery 4 teacher. Why is it Cookery 4? It's because we are in second semester of this school year. Yeah. So, I am a SHS teacher from Arellano University. I will present my slides para makita nyo. Okay? So, again, my name is Mr. John Paul B. Mora, Cookery 4 HSS teacher from Arellano University. Next slide. Now we are in our objectives. Our objectives are enumerate the types of fish and seafood, identify steps in processing fish, and lastly, classify all the fish and seafood with examples. So that was our objectives for today. Next slide, we have lesson 1. Lesson 1, the types of seafoods and the classification of fish and seafood. We will discuss it today. So, we are in lesson 1. Lesson 1. So, next slide, we have the classification of fish and seafood. So, and their examples, okay, later on. First, we have the finfish or the freshwater fish or freshwater. Freshwater fish are those that uh, spend some or all of their lives in fresh water, such as rivers and lakes with a salinity of less than 1.5%. So, salinity means the saltiness of the water. So, meron tayong salinity rin sa ating fresh water. So, akala natin sa ocean lang ang merong salinity. Pero meron din tayong salinity sa mga fresh waters, okay? We have 1.5%. So, it means konti lang yung alat na napoproduce ng freshwater. While oceans has more than 1.5 or more or less napakadami, napakalaking salt yung napoproduce nila, okay? So that is a salinity. So next slide, we have here the examples of freshwater fish. The catfish, lake trout, bluegill, perch, and carp. Ayan yung mga examples ng freshwater fish. Para lang malaman natin kung ano yung ibig sabihin or ano yung mga pangalan ng mga nakikita nating mga isda. Okay, lalo-lalo na sa mga palengke. Yan, ayan yung mga catfish. So, ayan yung mga nakakain yan. Okay? So, next slide, we have the saltwater fish, fish that live in salt waters. From the word itself, saltwater. So, it means ito yung mga, hindi ko naman sinasabing mga alat na isda kasi hindi naman yun nakikita or nalalasahan, di ba? Kasi nililinisan natin yung mga yung isdang yan. So, yan yung mga nakikita nating mga saltwater fish. Saltwater fish are also called marine fish, are fish that live in ocean water. Saltwater fish can swim and live alone or in a large group called a school. So, may mga nakikita tayo kasing mga isda sa ilalim ng dagat na sama-sama. So, ibig sabihin, ang tawag sa kanila ay school. So, meron din tayong mga nakikitang mga isda na lumalangoy ng mag-isa. Okay? Saltwater fish are very commonly kept in aquariums for entertainment. May mga isda daw tayong galing sa saltwater na minsan dinidisplay natin sa mga aquariums natin para sa maengganyo tayo. 'Di ba? Like the goldfish, though, nagmula yan sa saltwater fish. Okay? Marami pang iba. So, many saltwater fish are also caught to be eaten. So, may mga saltwater fish din tayo na pwede natin kainin. Okay? So, meron tayong mga pang-display and meron tayong pwedeng pangkain. Okay? So, next slide, we have the examples of a saltwater fish. First one is the roundfish. Bakit nga ba siya tinawag na roundfish? Hindi naman siya totally round. Okay? So, ibig sabihin kasi ng roundfish, okay, um, it has an eye located on each side of its head. To check the fish for doneness, use the tip of a sharp knife and cut through the thickest part of the fillet. If the fish has been properly cooked, the meat will appear opaque but will still be moist. So, opaque, it means they're not able to be seen through, not transparent. Okay, things substances, okay? So, ayan yung round fish. Okay, so good day everyone. Wait, ulitin natin. We have here the round fish. Ang round fish kasi are the mackerel, salmon fish, snapper, and tuna. So, ayan yung mga examples ng round fish na makikita natin sa ocean. Okay? So, yung mackerel, marami sila kasi, ayan, yung tinatawag na school, kung tawagin. So, next one, we have the flatfish, or from the word itself, flat. So, ibig sabihin, flat siya. So, we have the sole, flounder, diamond, turbot. Next one, we have the cartilaginous fish. Or ibig sabihin, walang mga cartilage o walang mga buto-buto. Cartilage skeleton. So, yan, we have the shark and gray smooth horn. Yang shark kasi, kaya sinawag siyang cartilaginous, nga, kahit sa sobrang hirap kainin, ng pagkain niya, 'di ba? Yung jaw niya kasi kaya niyang magbuka ng malaking bunganga. So kaya siya tinawag na cartilaginous fish. Okay, makikita rin natin siya sa ocean. So more like sa ocean talaga siya. Yan. So next one, we have the shellfish and mollusk. An aquatic shelled mollusk. So nasa shellfish na tayo or sa mga seafoods na. Okay? So we have the oyster or cockle or crustaceans, example, a crab, or shrimp. Especially one that is edible. So may mga ano kasi tayo, may mga shellfish kasi tayo na hindi natin, or mga seafood na hindi natin pwedeng kainin. I mean, mga shellfish pala. So kasi pag nag-seafood kasi, pag sinabing seafood, ibig sabihin nakakain, kaya nga seafood, okay? So, may mga shellfish kasi minsan na hindi nakakain, okay? So, but itatakal natin yung mga nakakaing shellfish. So, first one, we have the univalve, having one valve or one shell. Okay. Yung valve kasi, ibig sabihin ng hinge yan. Yung pinaka-hinge ng mismong hayop dun sa loob. Okay. Ang univalve, we have the conch. Ibig sabihin ng conch is yung kabibe, yung abalone, and the whelk. So, that was a univalve. Iisa lang yung shell niya. Okay? Iisa lang. So, next one, we have the bivalve or having two shells. So, kung kanina, isang shell lang, ang tawag sa kanya ay univalve. Ngayon naman, two shells, so ang tawag sa kanya ay bivalve. We have the clams, oysters, and mussels. Sa Tagalog, ng clams ay tulya, ang oyster naman ay yung talaba, and then yung mussels, yung tahong. And yung mahilig yan yung mga Pilipino, yung mga sa tahong. Yan. Mostly yan yung binibili kapag namamalengke. Lalo na, masarap kasi yung mussels. Pero yung nagtatakal yan, mamaya na yan. Ayan. So, ang pagkakaiba ng univalve, isa lang yung shell. And yung bivalves naman, dalawa ang shell. Okay? So, next one, we have the gastropods. Okay? Ang gastropods ay isang mollusk having one piece shell or no shells. Usually, move with one muscular ventral foot. So, ibig sabihin ng gastropods, ito yung mga kaya nilang manirahan kahit wala sa shell. Wala sa kanilang shell. Okay? We have the snail, limpets, a slug. So, yung slug, nagmula yan sa snail. So, kaya siya naging slug, ayan. So, slug. So, ibig sabihin, ang muscular ventral foot, ayan, yung nakakapag-produce sila ng parang sipon, yung parang para makalakad, parang smooth lang, yan. Next one, we have the crustaceans, having a shell with jointed appendages. So, we have the crayfish, lobster, shrimp, and prawns. So, some of you nalilito sa shrimp and prawn. Okay, so, pero may talagang pagkakaiba yung shrimp at saka prawn, okay? May pagkakaiba yung shrimp and prawn. Ang shrimp kasi is nanggaling sa salt water. While the prawn, nanggaling siya sa fresh water. Okay? So, si shrimp naman ay maliit rather than the prawn. Kasi si shrimp, kaya siya maliit kasi nga galing siya sa salt water. Si prawn naman, puro fresh water kasi yung nakukuha niya. So, kaya siya malaki. So, yan. Ito pa. Ang pagkakaiba pa ng shrimp and prawn, ang shrimp naman, yung body shape niya is pa what you call that? Pa-round o pa-curled. Okay? Pa-curl yung shrimp. While the prawn is straight body siya. Okay? Straight body siya. Ayun yung pagkakaiba. Pag nakakita kayo ng ganyan, yung shrimp, medyo curly yung pinaka-edge ng kanyang katawan, while the prawn is a straight body. Yan. So baka may nalilito rin kayo sa crayfish and lobster. Mas malaking pagkakaiba nila kasi si crayfish mas maliit rather than the lobster. And yung pinaka-clip niya ni crayfish and lobster, mas magkaiba. Kasi si crayfish maliit lang yung clip niya and then the lobster is mas malaki. Yan. So, siguro magkakaparesan nila yung sa buntot na yung ng crayfish. Pero, malaki talaga yung pagkakaiba ng crayfish and lobster. Yan. So, lastly, we have the cephalopods, okay? Marine animal with a head and eyes. Armed with suckers attached to head, fin-bearing mantle. So, we have the squid and octopus. Ayan yung, um, ayan yung, examples ng cephalopods. Okay. So, that's it for today. So, I hope everybody listens.